Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on Talk Guys. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can create a business email through Wix. So what you want to do is here, go to your sites. I only have one site, so let's go here. Click on this one, or click on whatever site you want to create a business email. And then from here, on the left corner of the screen, go to customers and leads, and then select business email. From there, now, in order for you to create a business email, very simple, just go and connect a domain like so. And then afterwards, you'll be asked to then proceed in creating a business email. So you can use whatever ender you want, .com, .online, .shop, .blog, .design, .tech. That's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Talk Guy.